Today we have something very special and extremely rare, and that is a BMW 530i SE Touring from 2006. This car is so rare that there's probably only one of them in this spec in the country. I mean, the spec that this comes with can put modern cars today to shame. It comes with bi-xenon headlights that turn as you turn the bends, a radar underneath for the dynamic cruise control, another radar for the night vision. It's got daytime running lights together with a daytime indicator light. It also comes with a keyless entry, which was very rare in 2006, and you can simply put your finger over the lock button and the door will lock. It comes with a split tailgate that when you open the top part, the parcel shelf moves out the way, and it's electronically operated. The condition of the car is absolutely incredible, and it comes with every conceivable extra you can think of. You get a 12-volt socket in the back, and the first aid kit hasn't even been touched, still brand new. It's electronically operated, and when you close the boot, the parcel shelf will come back down. Isn't that incredible? And when you get into the back, the options don't stop and the condition don't stop to impress. You get two 12-volt sockets. There is an aux socket as well. You get storage behind the seats. But one of the things that stand out in this model is this panoramic sunroof. It's absolutely incredible. It makes the whole place feel light and airy. And the quality of the leather in the back here, it literally looks brand spanking new. Absolutely beautiful. There's ISOFIXes in the seats, and overall it's very roomy, it's airy, and there is plenty of headroom, plenty of knee room. It's very comfortable and it's a great place to be. But the seats don't stop here. Let's go check out the driver's seat because they're absolutely incredible. The driver's seat is incredibly easy to get comfortable in. They're electronically operated, and besides just the top part that you can move forward and backwards, you can also move just the top part of the top part. You know, your shoulder section, just to bring that forward and backwards. And then obviously you can move the whole seat forward and backwards. You've got lumbar support and all that kind of stuff. And there are memory seats too. There isn't a factory option that this car hasn't got. I got the full list over here, and I'll put all the details in the description below, and I'll just go through a few of them now. I just want to tell you this car is currently for sale. I will pin the for sale link in the top of the comments, so if you are interested in buying this car, knowing more about it, get in touch with us by scrolling down to the comments, top comment, click on it, and if it's sold, I will post there that the car is sold. But anyway, this car costs brand new £34,280. The optional equipment that it comes with is over £20,600. That's over half the cost of the car are extra options. Absolutely incredible. It comes with a media package, dynamic drive. You know, it's got air suspensions at the back. Well, I'll talk about that another time. It's automatic transmission, comfort seats. You saw how easy it is to get comfortable in this car. It's got night vision, absolutely incredible. You press this button on the right and you get up on the screen over here. You can vaguely see some people walking the distance. Absolutely brilliant. 2006 we're talking about. It's a long time ago. The coated leather and the condition of these seats are like new. It's like nobody's been here. It's only got two previous owners. They were both family members and they did look after this car. You got a panoramic glass roof, active cruise control or dynamic cruise control as they call it today. Absolutely incredible. You control it from the stalk over here on the left of the steering wheel. You got a head-up display and you can switch it on and off from a button on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. You got active steering. Now this is, I think this is the best part of this car. When you are stationary, you don't need to turn the wheel to get from lock to lock. The wheel is currently centered, and if I want to go left and do a full lock, that's it. Back to the center, to the right. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Cars today don't have this. You got active front seats, your bi-xenon lights we said before, comfort access, auto air conditioning advance, you control it from the iDrive system down here in the middle, adaptive headlights, exterior mirrors, anti-dazzling function on the exterior mirrors, heated front seats, and it's also got massage seats. You control it by a button down here in the center console. You got heated steering wheel. I mean, seriously, in those days, who had heated steering wheel? You have high beam assist, and it also comes with a full-size spare wheel, and you got in the boot some underfloor storage. Again, incredible for this car. Now moving on to the practical things on here, you got this beautiful wood veneer finish, cup holders, again like new. It's like this car hasn't been touched. A nice typical BMW 3-spoke steering wheel with stereo controls on it. The indicator stalks, it's just so pleasant. You got the one touch off on when you change lanes in this car. You have BMW's famous iDrive system, one of the first BMWs to have this, and it's absolutely incredible. You got a navigator, you can control the climate from here, although you've also got physical shortcut buttons for the climate control. Brilliant to have on a car. Talking about physical shortcut buttons, there is a physical volume button for the stereo. This car also comes with a CD player. Back to the iDrive system, you can control your entertainment from here. And also you have all the important information on the infotainment screen. This car is just an incredible car all around. This has BMW's famous 3-litre straight-six engine. It's the N52. It has 254 horsepower, a top speed limited to 155 miles per hour, and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time in 7 seconds. What we'll do is we'll take it for a short drive with a BMW 3-litre straight-six engine. It is so smooth. The engine is beautiful. It's no wonder so many other car brands use this engine in their cars. It's absolutely incredible. And the amazing thing about the steering is that when you are at standstill, you can turn the wheel in full lock by just turning it one halfway or 1.5 and it goes all the way. However, it adapts when you drive and it changes and it starts acting like a normal steering wheel. The technology on this car is incredible. Heads-up display is just warning me that I've only got 31 miles left. This car is from 2006. I'm driving on residential streets full of bumps. You barely feel them. I just went over a bump, a big one as well. And the steering is direct. The brakes are incredible on this car, absolutely incredible. It's a very, very impressive car. It's no wonder this car has had so many inquiries for it. It's a brilliant, brilliant machine. It is, as BMW says, the ultimate driving machine. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Seriously, no, don't open my door. Seriously, they train them young, you know.